The active exhalation helps us to remove the toxins, nicely expel out all the carbon dioxide from the body. And because we are doing it alternately from both the nostrils, we are balancing the whole Ida Pingala, both the nostrils, both the hemispheres from the brain, getting most of the benefits of Anulom Vilom. Bhalabhati. Now, this is a practice mentioned in the Gheranda Samhita. How do we practice Bhalabhati? Just like as we practice active exhalation strokes in Kapalabhati, Bhalabhati also involves practicing these active exhalation strokes, but we will be practicing it alternately from both the nostrils. So you can just observe once, alternately from your right and left, practicing the same Kapalabhati stroke, active exhalation. As we know in Kapalabhati, inhalation or the breathing in is automatic. So we start breathing in from the left nostril and give a stroke from the right. You can just observe first, breathe out, close right, breathe out through left, breathe out through right, breathe out through left. So this way, instead of giving the strokes from both our nostrils, we will be giving strokes from alternate nostrils. Starting with right, left, in this way. That is the practice of Bhalabhati. So we will go a little slower, giving slower strokes. And as we know in Kapalabhati, the same principle applies here. Active breathing out, passive automatic breathing in. Sitting in a comfortable cross-leg pose. Keep your back straight using your right hand. Close the right nostril. Breathe in through left. Now close left. Give a Kapalabhati stroke from the right. Close right. Breathe out through left. Close left. Right, breathe out. Close right. Breathe out through left. Continue. Out through right. Out through left. Out through right. Out through left. Out through right. And out through left. And stop the practice. Take a few moments to be aware of the effects of the practice. So what have we done during this practice? If you assess and try to analyze, we breathe in through the left, we breathe out through the right. As you breathe out through right, there's a passive inhalation through your right. We close it and we breathe out through the left. So if you notice, effectively we have been practicing alternate nasal breathing, but for the breathing out, we have incorporated the stroke of Kapalabhati. So Bhalabhati actually you can say is a combination of Anulom Vilom with the Kapalabhati. Each time we are breathing out, we are using the Kapalabhati strokes. So automatically the practices, the benefits of both these practices come into Bhalabhati. The active exhalation helps us to remove the toxins, nicely expel out all the carbon dioxide from the body. And because we are doing it alternately from both the nostrils, we are balancing the whole Ida Pingala, both the nostrils, both the hemispheres from the brain, getting most of the benefits of Anulom Vilom.